Hey everybody, what's going on? It is Bill with Franklin Loan Center, and this week I wanted to show a graphic that we were given from MBS Highway, and actually just pulled it from a video, but I can't share that from Facebook Live, so I'm just going to kind of walk you through it, and then I'll just put the graphic into the comments. But what it was is and I referenced the Rolling Stones saying time is on your side, and you do not want me to sing that, by the way. But what it did is it outlined. It started back in the 40s, and it showed appreciation over every single 10-year period, all the way through to 2014 is the most recent 10-year period that we can measure, right? And it's just crazy to see this chart with every single 10-year period through this entire, what you're looking at, 82 years of data over 10 years. There's been an increase in the value with one exception, and that was if you bought in 2006. And we've talked about that, right? If you bought in 2006, and by the way, that was a year that absolutely everybody was like, oh my gosh, you're crazy if you're not buying real estate. Well, it turns out wasn't the best year ever to buy real estate. So now over that 10-year period, literally over a 10-year period, national averages actually resulted in a 3% loss. Now, fast forward to today, and it's probably a 70+% gain in the value, right? Depends on where you live, all that good stuff, but well beyond that, right? So it definitely took longer in that one time period, but literally every single other 10-year period, starting in every single year, we saw significant increases. It's amazing how often it's almost always double digits, mid to upper double digits, and probably a third of the years are actually triple digits. So you've seen a double up or more over a 10-year period. And you've heard me talk about this plenty of times. 4.5%, which is kind of like the 30-year appreciation average, particularly here in Southern California, but it's a pretty solid number everywhere. But at 4.5%, prices will double or 100% appreciation every 15 years, right? So if you just go with that, that's just such a crazy number. So anyway, I know that there's tons of indecision around real estate and what should you do and all these things. I also realize not everyone's got 10 years to wait, but real estate is a long-term play, and when you do it that way, literally 81 times out of 82 tries over a 10-year window, you're going to see significant appreciation. So just wanted to throw that out there. Again, I'll put the graphic down in the comments so that everybody can see it. But it's just, this is something that just jumped out as something that we have to share. So that is it for today. I'm Bill. I'm with Franklin Loan Center, and I'll see y'all next week.